What's it look like to follow a low-sodium vegan diet? Come along to find out. I'm starting off with feeding my family and myself a yummy oatmeal bar. It's 9:30. I'm gonna go ahead and have some super greens, smart greens. I'm probably gonna finish this out and then not buy it anymore, only because if you're eating a well-balanced diet with fruits and veggies, you don't really need it. So I like to have a little bit of lemon in mine.
To make it lemonade?
Yeah, kind of like
Yeah.
a nice little lemonade.
When you taste it, I taste it. I think you taste it. Oh, it's juice lemonade.
Yep.
Alright,
my mixer needs some battery, so I have to actually do it by the hand. Alright, it's all mixed up. And I'm going to put some ice in it now. It is 11:02. We've already done devotion, Bible, and social emotional. So I'm about to have some coffee right now. And I'm using this almond milk creamer and a little bit of oat milk. And then I've set my salad out because I'm getting a little hungry. So I know I'm going to be eating dinner. And I'll show you guys what I add to it in a little bit. It is 11:49. We finished Bible and then reading with the boys. They're doing a hodgepodge of stuff. But they finished a reading lesson. And so I am starting their lunch because the twins are pretty sleepy. And what I'm going to do, I'm not totally hungry, but I do feel like coming on. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the kids are outside playing, so I'm looking at them. So, sorry, I'm going to finish topping my salad with everything I want so that when I'm ready to eat, I can just grab it and eat it. So here's what I'm adding to my salad for my lunch. Okay, so this salad was actually done 2 days ago. So my lettuce is turning a little red, but I'm still gonna eat it. There's already cucumber, tomatoes, bell peppers. I don't see them in there. Red onion. Oh, here, red bell peppers. And then there's like a spring mix and some romaine lettuce. So this is like the last day that I could probably eat this salad. First thing I'm gonna add is some dried blueberries, some sun-dried tomatoes, some olives. Then I'm just gonna do some Italian dressing. And I don't know what this avocado is looking like, but I would really like to be able to use it, so I'm gonna see. Before I get myself too excited, see what this is looking like. It might be too late for it. Which, yeah. Bruh. There's always a ram in the bush. I'm gonna see what this one's looking like. It is probably could go another day of getting ready, but I just can't wait. Yeah. Yep. It's good. I'm just gonna get my avocado pieces off. And I'm going to season my avocado, which in turn I'm going to season my salad as well with just a little bit of onion powder. Oh, shoot! Well, I hope I like onion powder. Granulated Oh my gosh. Granulated. Garlic powder. Pepper. Some garlic and herb seasoning. And then I think that's it, because I spilled some of the stuff in there. And then now I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes. My dried cranberries. Dried blueberries. And my olives. Now, you're going to think I'm weird for this, but I've bitten into an olive before, and I was so scared that I cracked my tooth. So I do squeeze them, because I did have one that was not pitted. And so this is my salad. I'm eating it, so I don't have any. So for 4 olives, it's 10% sodium. So I'm going to do 12 olives. That's probably a lot of sodium, huh? Alright. Over here making a mess. And when I'm ready to eat, I'll take about 10, maybe 8 of these whole wheat saltine crackers and crunch it up in there for my crouton. And then that's it. Let me see if I have some vegan cheese. Hey! Do have some vegan cheese. So I'm going to add the rest of that to it. I'm running out of everything today. I'm going to chop it up, and then I'm just going to let it sit. Until I'm ready, and I'll season it. I don't know. I like a good chopped salad. Like, if I can't eat the salad with my spoon, I do eat salad with a fork, but if it can't, I think I like it to the point where I can eat it with a spoon. That's how chopped I like it. Let me know in the comments how you like your salad. Chop, not chop, leave it alone, girl. You're doing too much. Anyway, yeah. That's my salad. I have a meeting with my advisor. Well, not my advisor. My professor. So I'm about to log into Zoom to meet with her, and then there's nothing going on. I just wanted to say hi. I'm in Charlotte and she's in Richmond, so I have one course that's online and one course that's in person. So I just want to get that all set up. I'm gonna drink some more on my drinkity drink. And then that'll be it. After this is over, I'm gonna go ahead and have my salad. The kids are doing their thing. The twins are asleep. Benjamin's asleep. Jesse and Donovan Jesse's writing a book. Happy homeschool mom moment. And then Donovan's on ABC Mouse or Adventures Academy. I'm not 100% sure which one, but he's doing something. Hello. Hi, how are you doing today? So my meeting with my professor went really well. My advisor is out on sabbatical, so she helped me plan out a couple of things. If you don't know, I'm a seminary student. I am a MDiv and also a Master's of Christian Education. I'm also getting a Master's of Divinity and a Master's of Christian Education. And I've been thinking about dropping the Christian education part of it because it's going to take me like 6 or 7 years, and I only can go part-time. So it's going to take me 6 or 7 years, and I'm just looking at the timeline, and I'm like, okay, because I also know that I want to get my PhD. So with that being said, I'm just thinking about the time, and maybe I'm just rushing, but I've been asking God, you know, specifically, am I outside of his timeline with this Master's of Christian Education, because it's going to add time. The Master's of Divinity would take me 5 years, and the Master's of Christian Education, adding that to it would give me an additional 1 or 2 years, depending on if I even go every semester part-time. Now, they do offer a second spring semester and a summer, so maybe I could do those classes, add to those, and would make up my full-timeness. But also, I need a break just like everyone else, I guess. I don't know. So if you have any words of encouragement or any advice, let me know. But I did meet with my advisor, and she basically said, look, you already have a Master's of Education. You could use, if you're really interested in education courses, the electives you can make for your education classes. But I also have like a desire to study the languages more, and so we were just talking about that. So I just have some things to think about and where I'm gonna go with that. But the salad is really good, guys. The avocado probably could have waited like one more day, but it's really good. I'll check back in with you guys for snack time probably. It's 2:15. I'm still hungry, so I'm gonna have this Uncrustable while my daughter continues to read to me. All right, so I was just watching this video by Shakayla, Sweet Greens Vegan or something, Shakayla, and she did a crispy eggplant and vegan pesto sandwich. I don't have pesto, but I have eggplant, green olive and tomato pesto, mushrooms. So I'm gonna make some type of sandwich, and then I have this bread, the whole 100% whole wheat. I'm not sure if it's vegan. I think it is, but I'm not sure. That's why I put veganish, because some of the stuff I be eating probably is not vegan, but I'm trying. And this is what we have. And to feed one vegan off of just a special bread with a family of 7 is just not what we can do right now. All right, so I'm going to prep my eggplant. I'm going to cut it up, salt it, let it sweat for a little bit. Then, so I have class at 6. And it's 5:16, so I'm probably not going to eat until after my class. But I'm going to get it prepped. So, let me wash this off. I should probably let this soak in some vinegar water to get the wax off, but I'm definitely pressed for time. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to do that right now. I just realized that was dark where I just filmed it, but it's okay. So I have these sitting in salt. I try not to use a lot. I have about 1.5 of these down of water, and then the other one was greens of water. So I'm going to try to drink 1 more of these, so that would give me 3.5 32 ounces of water. So I'm going to try to drink this while I'm in class. I'm in class right now. I don't want to show you the screen, but I'm in class, so I'll check back in when I start my dinner. 6:27. I'm still hungry, So I'm going to eat these peanut butter crackers while we're having class. I ended up going to the grocery store because I wanted what I wanted. So I got some spring mix, some tomatoes, avocado salsa, some cheese, some meat and cheese packs, some vegan cheese, some eggs, some Shardae fig Newtons, cucumber and avocado, almond milk, some organic lettuce, some more bread, sprouts, garlic, salad dressing, tater tots. I wanted to try this low sodium Cajun seasoning and see how that goes with my blood pressure. I got some other salad dressings too, and then some peach mango juice. This is what I ended up making for my family, and I'm gonna put this away before I start making my dinner. I don't know if you guys can see the condensation on here, but I didn't use a lot of salt and it actually ended up sweating them out very well. And now I'm just patting them dry because of all the liquid that's on it. And I use some of my favorite seasonings, trying to keep it as low sodium as possible. I started out with some of the new seasoning that I got, the Cajun seasoning, the garlic and herb, onion powder, garlic powder, salt. Well, no salt. I did pepper, and then I moistened it with some chosen avocado oil. I tried to use panko crumbs and breadcrumbs, but the panko crumbs really weren't sticking, so I had to add more breadcrumbs and just a little bit more avocado oil to have it stick. I only seasoned one side and then rubbed them together, and that seemed to have worked very well. Once I got them breaded, I put them in the air fryer for 20 minutes on 370. These were my thicker slices of eggplant. I do have some thinner slices, and those only took 15. While I was waiting for my eggplant to finish, I figured, well, let me go ahead and get this sandwich together. So all I got to do is put the eggplant on. So I thought I was recording, but on one side I did the green tomato and olive tapenade, and on the other side I used some of the avocado salsa, and then spread out some sprouts, and then I cut up some red onion. I try to use red onion as much as I can because of the health benefits of using red onion, and there's lots of vitamins, additional calcium, and great for digestion. So, and it's gonna add a lot more flavor. So I'm adding some red onion, and then as I was waiting, because I was so hungry, I think it was like 11 p.m. y'all, I was eating some of the avocado salsa with some chips. Once I have a couple of chips, I go ahead and top my sandwich with that vegan cheese, and then I add a piece of lettuce once I washed it off. And here's my finished eggplant. It was so good. I am definitely going to be making this sandwich more often. I did end up having 2 of those strawberry fig Newtons. It's been such a long time since I've had any. I was going to have 4, but when I ate one, it was so sweet. So I was like, oh, let me just have 2 and call it a night. It kind of was my little sweet treat. That's all I have for you today. If you try any of these recipes, please let me know. And if you haven't heard today, please know that our Heavenly Father loves you. Don't forget to drink your water and repent. Bye.